The Zebra Extendable Ratchet is perfect for getting to those hard to reach nuts and bolts. Extendable to 5 different lengths, it is able to provide more leverage on over-tightened fasteners or ones that are out of reach with a standard ratchet. Especially helpful for reaching rear spark plugs on engines such as Holden's Gen 3 V8. The Wurth Extendable Ratchet has a 72 teeth head which allows for efficient work in places with limited space, as only a small angle of rotation is needed for it to engage the next tooth. Seven different head positions mean that you can work at any angle. For optimal use, lock the head in the position that best suits your needs. The specially designed ratchet head allows the user to apply pressure on the back of it without reversing the ratchet mechanism.